Hi guys, I wanted to come out and give you a review of the Clancy potato seeds. I planted them in 4 spots. One is here. Now if you look, the only thing that's growing in here really are weeds. These seeds kind of look like that, except they look like they were all kind of like a yogurt covered raisin is the way that they looked. I got 100 of them. I planted them in 4 different locations, and they are not coming up in any location whatsoever. So here I have this in a pot in some very nice full sun. I also planted them over here in this wheelbarrow. And let me step over this. Nothing. Nothing. It's just all but weeds. That's it. Got some beautiful pansies up here. Here I did a string of seed tape with some lettuce mix in here. This is the 3rd spot that I put everything in. Not everything. These little Clancy potatoes, it's nothing but weeds. Okay, so here is the last spot, and it is another wheelbarrow. Again, these pansies are really beautiful as well, and they drape over pretty nice, but there's nothing in here at all except weeds and some starts of some trees. So I need to come in here and just start all over again. So I'm not quite sure if it's because it is a seed for a potato that really isn't working. I have regular potatoes going in the backyard. Don't know if it's the location. I've got them in 4 locations. I've got it in ground, in a container, and in 2 wheelbarrows, and none of the 4 spots have taken whatsoever. So I'm not really too pleased with that, I guess. So I wanted to give you a review, but I have absolutely nothing to review there. If you have had better luck, let me know. Would love to hear it. Love you. Have a great day. Please subscribe.